Hello and welcome back to On the Workbench. Today we're taking a look at my '06 Saab 9.3, and well, maybe you're confused because if you look right here, you don't see the Saab logo. So that's what we're going to do today. This is the Sport Combi variant. We're going to be replacing a Saab badge with a nice brand new one. Give it a nice factory look with a nice new badge. So now to help get an idea on how to do this, let's take a look at actually the replacement part first. The replacement badge comes packaged like this, nicely bagged. This was purchased, not a sponsor, from esaabparts.com. And if we open up the bag, now I know you can get, some places will sell just the decal there, but if we look at how this actually comes, there's actually these posts here on the back, and that's actually some adhesive there. So I'm going to put this back here on so you can see what those posts on it, that we're going to actually want to make sure we get this pulled off. And since this badge itself is plastic, I don't mind deforming this, but we got to be very careful about what's around it that we don't damage the edge. I'm going to put this carefully back onto the adhesive here, but it is just simply an adhesive mount for that Saab badge. See how nice and shiny and beautiful that looks? Isn't that Griffin gorgeous? Love the Griffin. So the first step is going to be to remove the old badge. So first of all, do not start reaching for a flathead screwdriver to try to pop this out. But if we look carefully, you'll see there's a couple little holes here. And if we've got a nice little angled pick like this, we can get right into that hole there. And then if we play our cards just right, and we give this a nice little tug, we should be able to pop this out. Be very careful. You can hear that adhesive slowly peel back. And then now, there we go. We've got this off. Double check that we've got all three of those little pieces there. And now comes the point where you may need a little scraper tool to try to clean off some of the old adhesive. So you don't want to stick the new adhesive onto the old adhesive. So if you've got some glue gone, or just a little bit of time here to spend peeling this back with some fingernails, I'm not going to show my tedious process of trying to clean this off, but we'll scrape that clean and be right back. One of my favorite tools for doing this are these plastic razor blades. This is kind of a weird tool, but these are really handy. You can get your hands on these. These are available at Menards. See if I can find a link below where else you might be able to find these. Really handy multi-purpose scraper for situations just like this. Once you're done with the scraper, rub your finger around here. Make sure you don't feel any just little debris hanging out there, because you want to make sure that the new emblem is going to fit flat on there. And just to make sure that I've got everything out, I'm going to finish up with a little bit of alcohol and a shop towel. The alcohol will evaporate fairly quickly. Then I'm just going to wipe this down with the shop towel just to try to get any extra debris out that I can. You can see there's more coming out here with the alcohol after using the mechanical separation. And we'll do that one more time. I'm putting the alcohol onto the shop towel. And this is just eating away at what's left of the adhesive that I wasn't able to get with the scraper. This does not have to be perfect, just as long as we've got a good flat surface that we can adhere our new emblem on. Use your fingernails as you see fit. And then just make sure we're not leaving behind any shop towel residue. Now, after you're done scraping and the alcohol has dried 100% off, do not leave any of that on here. It should be completely dry to the touch with no alcohol on there. Try to have it as uniform of a surface as you can. Are we going to get it perfect? No. This has had multiple badges on it, and I guess I could keep cleaning it up, but it's ultimately not going to matter. If there's any residual moisture from the alcohol, do not do this step yet. Make sure it is completely bone dry. If that means walking away from the car for 10 minutes to go inside and get a drink, do that. Walk away, whatever you need to do to make sure it is completely dry. Once you're satisfied that it's dry, we're going to take our decal, our emblem, we're going to remove the adhesive back. Remember, there's those 3 pins, and we're going to line it up, and it'll self-center, and it'll press fit right into place, just like that. And now we've got a brand new badge on our Saab. Is the Saab brand new? No, but she at least looks the part there with the badge, and people know that we're driving a Saab. And so with that, I'll put links in the description for the replacement badge and those plastic razor blades. Otherwise, you can be done in about 10 minutes with a simple badge replacement. And this is for the rear of the 06 Saab 9.3 Sport Combi. Questions or comments, put it down in the description or the comments below. Like videos like this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. I've got a playlist of a whole bunch of other Saab repair videos. Check that out. This will be part of that playlist. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a great day. Bye.